Manhattan high-acid divorce lawyer. Navigating a high-acid divorce in Manhattan brings intricate financial and legal challenges that call for strategic planning and sound guidance. In New York, divorces involving $1 million or more in marital assets, such as luxury homes, investment portfolios, and business interests, are considered high-acid cases requiring specialized attention. Couples often own multiple properties or complex investments that must be accurately valued, and a lawyer coordinates with forensic accountants and appraisers to ensure fairness. New York follows equitable distribution, meaning courts divide property fairly rather than evenly. Marital property includes assets acquired during the marriage, while separate property covers pre-marital assets, inheritances, and gifts. Real estate and income earned during marriage and business appreciation due to a spouse's efforts are divided, but inheritances and separate gifts remain individual property if kept separate. Valuing Manhattan co-ops, penthouses, and businesses involves detailed appraisal methods, and investment portfolios and retirement accounts must be assessed carefully because market swings and tax rules affect outcomes. Courts consider the marriage's length, each spouse's income and earning potential, contributions to the household, age, health, and childcare responsibilities when awarding property shares. Hiding assets violates the law. Forensic accountants examine bank statements, tax returns, and lifestyle expenses to uncover concealed wealth, and judges may impose sanctions and award attorney fees to the injured spouse. Spousal support, also called maintenance, helps the lower-earning spouse remain financially stable. Courts weigh marriage duration, income disparity, standard of living, and each spouse's health and earning capacity. Statutory guidelines apply to combined incomes up to $228,000, but in high-income cases judges can award additional maintenance based on lifestyle expenses, tax implications, and financial need. Child custody decisions focus on the child's best interests rather than wealth, but high net worth influences considerations like housing, education, healthcare, and extracurricular activities. New York's child support formula covers combined parental income up to $183,000. For wealthier families, courts may order extra support to maintain the child's accustomed lifestyle, including private school and enrichment programs. Businesses acquired or growing during marriage are marital property. Valuations may use income, market, or asset-based methods, distinguishing between growth from spousal efforts and passive market appreciation. Courts can divide business interests by ordering buyouts, revenue sharing, or sales, and couples often negotiate settlements exchanging the business for other assets like real estate or investments. Transfers of property between spouses are generally tax-free, yet selling assets to divide proceeds can trigger capital gains taxes, particularly in Manhattan real estate. Dividing retirement accounts requires qualified domestic relations orders to avoid penalties. Prenuptial agreements can protect separate property if they are voluntarily signed with full financial disclosure and independent counsel. Courts may set aside agreements that are unconscionable or signed under duress. Postnuptial agreements face stricter scrutiny because spouses owe each other confidential duties. Fairness and transparency are crucial. A high-acid divorce lawyer can advise on challenging or enforcing prenups, trace hidden assets, and negotiate spousal support in property division. Our law firm serves clients across Manhattan and the surrounding boroughs, focusing on complex divorces involving significant assets, businesses, and family wealth. Richard Roman Shum has practiced family law for over 15 years and, as a seasoned attorney and father, understands the importance of protecting children's interests while crafting strategies that address immediate and long-term financial goals. Our attorneys collaborate with forensic accountants, business appraisers, and tax advisors to ensure accurate valuations and fair outcomes, and our attorney can help you understand maintenance obligations or entitlements under New York law. If you're facing a high-acid divorce in Manhattan, contact the law office of Richard Roman Shum, Esq. at 646-259-3416 for a consultation and personalized guidance from a committed lawyer. The law firm's office is at 20 Clinton Street, FRNT 5D, New York, 10002, United States, and our experienced attorney will advocate for your rights and help protect your family's future. Our law firm is dedicated to guiding clients through property division, spousal support, and custody issues with integrity and care.